Good morning, first grade. Today we're going to be working on something that we have probably never worked on before. I don't think we got to this in really great reading, but we did do two sound blends. Nod your head if you remember two sound blends. Now we are doing three sound blends. We did a little bit of this in Haggerty, but you probably never saw the words because in Haggerty we just use our mouths. So here we have a three sound blend and it is S-T-R. I wonder if you can figure out what STR sounds like before I tell you the sound. This picture might help you because the picture is a strawberry. So the first three letters, that STR, make the sound stir, stir. Good. So today we're going to be thinking about more words that have that STR sound. This will help us in our reading. In case we see that three sound blend, we'll know exactly what sound it makes. We can use it to use chunky monkey and think of the chunks in that word that we know. Let's keep going. So what we're going to do is read each sentence and decide which word completes the sentence best. So all these words down here, string, straw, stretch, stray, and strong, they all have that three sound blend, STR, at the beginning. So I'm going to read the sentence and we're going to think of which STR word goes in that blank. Okay, now my face is over the other side, but it's the same on both sides. So you can just look at this side over here, okay? Buildings have to be sturdy in case bad weather with blank winds happens. What kind of winds would need a building to be sturdy? String winds? No. Straw winds? Nope. Stretch winds? Never heard of it. Stray winds? That could work. But what about this last one? Strong winds. Buildings have to be sturdy in case bad weather with strong winds happens. That one sounds the best to me. Let's put our word in the blank. All right, now I put the word strong winds. So we've already used that word strong. We can't use it again. Let's go to the next one, number 2. Tamika's family adopted the blank cat that they found on their porch. Let's go through the words. The string cat? No. The straw cat? Probably not, because if you found a cat made of straw, you probably don't need to adopt it. You can just have it. How about the stretch cat? I've never heard of a stretch cat. What about a stray cat? Yes, stray cat could be found on their porch. A stray cat means it doesn't really belong to anyone. It lives outside usually. That's what stray means. Good. Let's go to number 3. My teacher tells us to blank each morning. What would your teacher tell you to do each morning? Maybe Mr. Purnell would tell us to do this, but I don't think he would tell us to string or straw, and we've already used stray and strong, so that leaves us with stretch. I think Mr. Purnell would tell you guys to stretch each morning. Good, let's keep going. Michael made a bad decision when he spit milk out of his string or his straw. Yeah, straw. That would not be a good decision, would it? Our friend Michael would not make that decision, I'm sure of it. Emmy tied a black blank on her finger to remind herself to do her chores. This is a tricky one. Luckily, we only have one word left. It's string, but this isn't really something people do much anymore. But sometimes people would tie something around their finger to help them remember to do something or tell someone something. It's not something that's really done anymore because we have phones and we can just type it in or write it down on a piece of paper, but that's something some people did and used to do back in the day. Alrighty, so we did all of those words. All of our words have that STR sound. What you're going to do next is a page that looks just like this. You're going to match the word with the picture. So since you won't have this exact worksheet, all I need you to do is number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and match that with the correct picture and word. So let's do the first one. This person is holding a weight, and he seems like it's pretty easy for him. So he's probably pretty strong. So we'll put the word strong there. The rest of them, I think you can do all by yourself. This one, I'll give you a little hint. This dog, he lives outside. He's dirty, and he doesn't have a home yet. So that might help you figure out that word. Okay?